guys, what's going on? SmartTechTom here. Today we have another product from Wasserstein Home, and that is a mini smart socket. It's another Wi-Fi smart plug from the fine folks at Wasserstein Home. Sent me a couple of products to review. Again, this is not a paid promotion. I am not being paid to endorse this product. This is going to be a totally unbiased review of the Wasserstein mini smart socket. Works with the Amazon Alexa. One of the awesome things is they're making these things so affordable nowadays. I'm gonna go ahead and leave a link down below in the description. You can check it out if you want to pick one up. Start creating a smart home for yourself. So we're gonna go ahead and get this thing unboxed, and we're gonna hook it up, and I'm gonna show you how it works. So stay tuned and we'll check it out. Okay guys, for this application we're going to go ahead and put the Wasserstein smart plug into the outlet. Once we plug it in, the power light on the side is going to start blinking and put it into pairing mode. It just clicked on, and you probably can't see it, but the light is blinking. We're going to go ahead and open up the Wasserstein app. Now I already have this installed. If you don't have it, you go ahead and install it. Check out my previous video on setting up the Wasserstein app, but you're going to go ahead and download the app. You're going to use a email or a phone number to log in. We're going to go ahead and click add a device. Confirm that the light is blinking, and we're going to confirm our Wi-Fi password, and it is now connecting. I just heard the smart plug do a power cycle. Just clicked off and came back on, and boom, we got the mini smart socket. So there you go. We're going to go ahead and click on the edit button. We're going to rename this to, we'll call this the party light. Confirm. Now here you can go ahead and share this with the family. I'm not going to do that, but we're going to go ahead and click done. And there is a symbol representing the smart light. You can actually click it on, or I actually clicked it off. Click it on. The light on the side is blinking on and off. We're going to go ahead and plug in a light now and check it out. We have the Wasserstein app connected. We're going to go ahead and turn it on, the party light, and there you go. We have a party light. Now we're going to go ahead and connect this to the Amazon Echo. Go to the Amazon Alexa app. Go to Smart Home. One thing is we want to make sure that the smart plug is turned on. Let's go ahead and come back and take a look through all of my devices. And actually we do have the party light there. There you have it. It is working. So let's go ahead and turn it off. Alexa, turn on the party light.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off the party light.
Okay.
So one of the things is when you're inside the switch itself, you can set up, as you see down at the bottom, you can set up schedules, where you can add a schedule, any day of the week, start time, end time, and you would click save. We're going to back out of that. You could set up a timer, so it'll be a countdown timer. Say you want to set it for an hour or so to turn the switch off. You can set it for random, which again, it's days of the week, start time and end time. You can set up a random timer. And circulate. So you have a start and end time, and turning on duration and turning off duration in any day of the week. So there you have it. There's a lot of functionality there within the app itself. Some of the other cool features to talk about is that it is compact, it's very light, it's well made. These little devices are inexpensive. There's no hub required, and they work with the Amazon Alexa. So there you have it, guys, the Wasserstein Mini Smart Socket. Go ahead and pick one up. I'm going to go ahead and leave some links down below to where you can pick one up for yourself. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click on that little notification bell. That way you'll be updated every time I post a new video. Leave some comments down below and tell me what you think of the Wasserstein Mini Smart Socket. Till next time, peace out.